Hello and welcome to our show, and this is all about influencers. Well, as a content creator myself, I am Shagarika Bhattacharya, and we have with us Aryan Bajaj, who is an influencer stylist. Hi, Aryan.
Hi, Sagrika.
How are you doing?
I'm all good. How about you?
Absolutely great. Thank you so much for coming in the show.
It's all my pleasure.
Well, जब भी बात हम इन्फ्लुएंसर मार्केटिंग स्टाइलिंग की बात करते हैं तो जहन में ये चीज़ आती है कि व्हाट इज़ इट, ये है क्या आखिरकार, ऐसा कौन सा क्या बना है, ऐसा क्या मार्केट है, ऐसी क्या स्ट्रैटेजी है, व्हाट इज़ एन इन्फ्लुएंसर. सबसे पहले तो ये समझने की ज़रूरत होती है. सो वी ऑल नो who are the
Yeah, we know who are the influencers. They basically interact with brands and they influence the people. People like their lifestyle and what they do, so they get influenced by them. That's why they are called influencers.
Yes, and it's very important to get influenced because influence होने के लिए भी not only your vocab, आई थिंक मुझे लगता है कि आपका जो परिधान, जो आपका पहनावा, आपका लुक होता है वो भी मैटर करता है. बिकॉज कहते हैं ना, फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन इज द लास्ट इंप्रेशन. सो ऑब्वियसली द मोमेंट यू आर गोइंग टू इंटरेक्ट विद समवन, यू हैव टू हैव योर इंप्रेशन इंटैक्ट. सो इसके लिए बेहतर यही है कि आपका भी स्टाइलिंग हो. सो टुडेज सेशन इज ऑल अबाउट द स्टाइलिंग एंड द अटायर लुक ऑफ इन्फ्लुएंसर्स. सो आई नीड टू नो फर्स्टली, आर्यन, is there any particular strategy or ऐसा कोई parameters होता है for influencing styling?
It's not like a parameter, but it's like important to know what the influencer is into. Like what is his personality? What is his like audience like? You can't like if there's a comic influencer, you can't style him like a proper fashion influencer because that is not his vibe. And the people who is following him won't resonate with him if we will style him like that.
Okay.
So you have to understand what persona the influencer have.
Oh, that's wonderful. ये बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है कि बहुत सही कहा कि जिसका जैसा पर्सनालिटी है, जिसका जैसा जॉनर है, आई थिंक उसके हिसाब से ही जो जिसकी नीश है. अगर कोई फूड में है, सो अगर आप जैसे स्टाइलिंग करते हैं तो कैटेगराइजेशन आपके पास सबसे ज़्यादा किसकी आती है?
It's usually for fashion and comic influencers. So mostly I do those.
ओके. सो इनकी कोई पर्टिकुलर डिमांड्स रहती हैं या फिर आप उनको देख के समझ के बताते हैं कि हाँ, ये स्टाइलिंग और ऐसा होना चाहिए, ये ट्रेंड में है?
Yeah, obviously they have some demands also, but at the end, me being as a stylist, I have to understand their demands as well, and they have to understand my perspective also on that, because sometimes they just click a picture and send it to us like from Pinterest, like I want to dress like this. But at the end, even being a stylist, I know sometimes they will able to pull it, and sometimes they won't be able to pull it. So we have to mix and match with that.
Absolutely. It's very, very important because if you are really not on that body shape or body type, ये अमूमन लड़कियों के साथ होता है.
Even with men's as well.
Men's as well?
Yeah.
Okay. ऐसी कोई अगर आपके साथ कोई चीज़ हुई है जो आप हमारे दर्शकों के साथ भी अगर शेयर करना चाहें, any of your clients?
Okay. Even I don't know, I should take a name. I don't
No,
think
you
I
should not be taking the name, but yes.
Yeah, I was styling a comic influencer like 3 days back only. So I think he wanted to go for awards. He was going to Goa for some awards, some influencer awards, and he was like, if you won't be able to source an outfit for me, should I go in jeans? And probably he was going to get the award, and I was like, no, you can't go to a formal show in a jeans. That's not that appropriate at all.
ये हम सबके साथ ही है कि आई थिंक जीन्स इज द मोस्ट कंफर्टेबल अटायर विच वी कैन थिंक ऑफ, राइट? और जब भी पार्टी की बात आती है या अवार्ड्स की बात आती है तो सबसे पहले जहन में यही आता है, जीन्स पहन के चलें. तो आई थिंक दैट वाज द ओनली, आई कैन गिव अ बेनिफिट ऑफ डाउट टू द पर्सन, बट येस. तो इसकी कैटेगराइजेशंस हैं. सो व्हाट आर द कैटेगराइज विच यू जनरली लुक आफ्टर, विच शुड बी देयर व्हाइल स्टाइलिंग?
Okay, first of all, you have to look the person's body type. First point. Then they have to look for that what they style they prefer. Some prefers like very loose style, like Gen Z's used to do, or someone is like, you have to also look into the age, what age category they are
Very
in.
important.
Then other than that, as I told you, like body shape, their skin color is also very important.
Yes.
While choosing the color of the outfits. So all these things, and accessorizing is also very important thing, but we have to understand that whether the influencer is up to the mark or not, that he wants to be too much accessorized or not. You have to understand that part also. You can't be like, if he doesn't like his aesthetic is not like that, you can't over accessorize him.
That is also important. अगर मैं अपनी ही बात करूँ, whenever I am going for any kind of events, I generally prefer wearing saris. But yes, when I am in a studio, so obviously this is the
Formal
attire. But हाँ, अगर साड़ी लुक रहता है which you can wear, that is always say that जो आप कहीं पर भी पहन सकते हैं. But obviously body types भी depend करता है.
Definitely.
I'm not saying that you need to have a hourglass figure, but yes, it's a formal and it is a kind of an attire which you can wear at any point of time.
Yeah.
But depending on the accessories.
Accessories, yeah.
ओके सो कुछ कुछ चीज़ें यहाँ रहती है. अब आर्यन, मुझे लगता है जब हम पहले देखते थे, ऑब्वियसली यू आर फ्रॉम द न्यू जनरेशन आई वुड से, एंड अगर हम अपनी बात करें सो डेफिनेटली पहले हम देखते थे, हम आइडलाइज करते थे कि वेदर दे आर फ्रॉम मीडिया इंडस्ट्री, हम उनको आइडलाइज करते थे. आपके जितने भी एक्टर एक्ट्रेसेस हैं, हम उनको देख के सोचते थे कि इनका स्टाइल ऐसा है तो हमारा को भी ऐसा ही कुछ, हमें ऐसा ब्लाउज टाइप चाहिए, ऐसा ब्लेजर चाहिए, समवॉट लाइक दैट. But now it is the influencer. More of they are actually influence the market, right?
Yeah. Like it's like to hire an actor or actress for a brand, it is very expensive. And on the other hand, getting an influencers for the marketing is a better strategy because it is not that expensive. And you can obviously reach to mass audience with the influencers as well because everyone is on Instagram these days. So I think it's a better way to go about it.
तो तभी इसलिए इट्स आई थिंक लो हैंगिंग फ्रूट आई वुड से.
Yeah, you can say that way.
लेकिन अच्छा, अब आते हैं उन कैटेगरीज पे. मेरे ख्याल से इन्फ्लुएंसर्स की भी कैटेगराइजेशंस हैं.
Yes.
वी हैव माइक्रो, वी हैव मैक्रो, वी हैव नैनो, राइट?
Yeah.
इट डिपेंड्स ऑल ऑन योर फॉलोअर्स. सो क्या आपकी स्टाइलिंग भी उनके साथ डिफर करती है?
Not really. Basically, it depends upon the brand. Like the brand I'm sourcing from, that depends. Like if I'm sourcing for a very huge influencer, then I will obviously look for a brand who has more followers, who's a big brand. So like the followers depends on that. Because if I send a profile of there's a micro influencer to any big brand, obviously they don't gonna source with him because they won't resonate with him.
Mm-hmm.
So in that sense, the followers matters.
फॉलोअर्स मैटर करते हैं, एंड ऑब्वियसली उसके हिसाब से आपके कमर्शियल भी मैटर करते हैं.
Yeah, definitely.
सो अगर किसी को ऑप्ट करना है एज अ जॉब, अगर मैं देखूँ एज अ प्रोफेशन टू स्टाइल, डू यू थिंक दैट यू योरसेल्फ आल्सो, बिकॉज इट्स योर हॉबी आल्सो, एट द सेम पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम आप स्टाइलिंग किसी के साथ कर भी रहे हैं. तो किसी को ऐसा अपने हिसाब से दे शुड टेक इट अप एज अ प्रोफेशन और दे शुड टेक इट अप एज अ पार्ट टाइम जॉब?
Part-time. It depends upon totally on the person whether they are into the styling or not. Because what usually I see, like the fashion designers who are in this industry, the people do fashion designing, they didn't get into the styling thing. It's up to you whether you like it or not. So it's totally depends upon the person's. Like if he wants to do, he can pull the job part time also, but it's like a little difficult to pull it part time. So I think I suggest if you are into styling, go for a full time job.
Exactly, and why not? Because this is the new boom. And influencer marketing, influencer markets, influencer styling, influencer creating content, it's there everywhere. Be it any of your genres, it is there. अब आज की डेट में मेरे ख्याल से किसी की बर्थडे पार्टी भी हो रही है, कोई रेस्टोरेंट लॉन्च भी हो रहा है, तो भी इन्फ्लुएंसर्स को बुलाया जाता है.
And I also want to say one thing, like for being a stylist, you don't need a degree for that. You just need a good fashion sense. That's it.
Very important. You really don't need a degree.
Yeah,
Okay.
you don't need a degree for doing a fashion styling.
But आपने डिप्लोमा लिया हुआ
Yeah,
है.
I did a diploma from JD.
ओके, सो यानी कि यहाँ पे वो आपके ऊपर है कि अगर आप इसे कोई प्रोफेशनल अकाउंट के साथ लेना चाहते हैं नहीं. सो कहीं ना कहीं आपको लगता है कि अगर ऐसा कोई इन्फ्लुएंसर आपके पास आया, स्पेशली यू टेक केयर ऑफ द फैशन वन, तो उनके भी अपने व्यूज एंड पॉइंट्स रहते हैं, वो आपके साथ कॉन्ट्राडिक्ट करें, ऐसा भी तो होता है.
Yeah, बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. It's not like मैंने उन्हें बोल दिया और उन्होंने शांति से सुन लिया और हो गया, ऐसा नहीं होता. Like happens sometimes, they are contradicting what I'm saying. So I have to listen to them as well, understand what they are saying. Then sometimes you have to go with their flow as well, because sometimes they better know us, like what their vibe is going to be, what event they are going to be, and what kind of people they are sitting in. So sometimes you have to listen to them as well, and sometimes they do have to listen to us also.
बेटर यू लिसन टू देम, बिकॉज दैट्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. और मेरे ख्याल से एक सामंजस्य बन के रहना बेहद ज़रूरी होता है,
Yes.
वेयर यू आर पुटिंग योर इनपुट्स एंड ऑब्वियसली वी आर एक्सेप्टिंग योर इनपुट्स
Puts,
एज
yeah.
वेल. तभी जाके तो आप खूबसूरत दिख पाएंगे.
Yeah, understanding both of the parties is very important.
That's very very important. Even I agree, क्योंकि कई बार ऐसा होता है कि आप किसी ऐसे बहुत सी पार्टीज या ऐसे बहुत सारी जगह होती हैं जहाँ पे ये नीचे लिख के आता है फॉर्मली ड्रेस्ड, your casually dressed,
Casually dressed.
or be in your the most intriguing or exclusive designs, तो वहाँ पे सोचना पड़ता है क्या करें, स्टाइलिंग के पास दौड़े, तब स्टाइलिस्ट की ज़रूरत होती है. अभी तक so far what all you have stylist which is more of creative, I would say. ऐसा कुछ कभी अतरंगा किया है?
In influencer styling, there's not much of a very creative thing to go with it because it's very restrictive. Like the fashion trends are coming up and very high fashion is also coming up, but you can't go with all those trends. You can't jump onto them. You have to understand they're basically their audience because influencers are all about their audience.
Yes.
So if you can't just push it up or like jump on the high fashion trend as well. So not really.
आपने फैशन ट्रेंड की बात कही और अभी की ही बात कही है. सो इन योर पर्सपेक्टिव व्हाट इज द फैशन ट्रेंड व्हिच इज एक्चुअली पर्टिंग राइट नाउ?
I think sustainability. Sustainability. Every brand is focusing on sustainability. Everyone wants to. It's not just like a buzzing word right now. It's just a very important thing for every brand.
और ये भी ज़रूरी होता है कि आई थिंक शायद एक कंटेंट क्रिएटर को ये भी समझने की ज़रूरत होती है कि आप कहाँ पे क्या पहन के जाएं.
Yes.
आप कहीं पर भी कुछ भी पहन के नहीं जा सकते हैं. लेकिन जैसे मैंने पहले ही जिक्र किया था, राइट फ्रॉम माइक्रो टू मैक्रो टू नैनो इन्फ्लुएंसर्स, यू हैव दोज कैटेगराइजेशंस, और कहीं ना कहीं वो आपको शायद यही कैटेगराइजेशन दिखाती भी है
Yeah.
कि व्हाट इज़ योर पहनावा एंड व्हाट इज़ योर look like.
Yeah.
that matters a lot. But yes, at the same point of time, definitely styling has a very important role in that. पहले हम सिर्फ अपने स्टाइल से चलते थे, but yes, now we have the help of the stylist. So
Yeah, to look better.
To look better.
Understand yourself, what you're gonna look in better in. So yeah, that's the stylist job.
well, influencers की बात आती है या फिर उसमें भी categorizations हैं, bloggers हैं, content creators हैं, influencers हैं जिसकी हम बात करते हैं. So क्या इनके भी स्टाइलिंग अलग अलग होती है या एक ही तरह की होती है?
होती तो वैसे एक ही तरीके की है. Like as I told you, it depends upon totally on the event and the person. Like maybe a blogger, maybe he's can go to a little more high fashion because he's writing from the back. He doesn't have to go to camera and doesn't have to make so much of a reels like an influencer. So maybe he's more open towards high fashion and he's maybe more open to like a fashion, like maybe listen to me more than just like an influencer who just have their own opinions as well. Maybe a blogger can easily be maybe a little easy to style.
Okay. Well, now as festivities approaching, so उसके लिए what is your take कि what will be the day styling and would be the night styling? If we just talk about the day styling first for females.
Okay, for females, day styling should be like very pastel colors, bright colors in days, and in the dark is like totally upon the dark theme. Like maybe you can go for black, blues, reds. Will look good in the night. In day you can carry a little casual stuff like in the kurtis, all that stuff, and in the night you can go for little bit traditional stuff, saris, anarkalis, those kind of stuff for festive.
Okay. And when you talk about male fashion?
Male fashion. Okay, in male fashion, it's like in the day event you can wear kurta, and even night you can wear a kurta as well. But you can categorize it at the night event maybe a little bit more heavy, like you can wear a proper achkan, or you can wear a proper Indo-Western. In that ways you can categorize it. Like I see most of people, they take it kurta and achkan as the same thing, but they both are very different things.
That is very important. ये समझने की बहुत ज़रूरत हो जाती है कि आपका आजकल और कुर्ते में डिफरेंस
बहुत
है.
डिफरेंस है.
कभी कभार वो
Like people just like they both are same thing.
नहीं, ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. जैसे कि ड्रेप साड़ी और नॉर्मल साड़ी
में बहुत डिफरेंस है.
बहुत अंतर है. बट हाँ, इससे मुझे अब एक चीज़ याद आती है कि अगर ड्रेप साड़ीज़ हैं, बिकॉज ये तो काफ़ी सालों से चलता आ रहा है, लेकिन आई थिंक दिस इज द न्यू बूम. Everyone is in drape sari rather than like the hassle free है.
Hassle free, yeah. Basically, it's hassle free because earlier, like even I have seen my mom asking my dadi for help, like to drape the sari. But now it's a little easier. Like if it is already draped, so you just have to wear it and you are ready to good to go.
All set to go,
Yeah.
definitely. Or even nowadays, even I have seen lot of content creators. They are doing a twist and I would say fashion influence, which is in amalgamation of आपका कुर्ते के साथ या फिर शॉर्ट कुर्ताज के साथ धोती.
Dhoti, yeah, dhoti is definitely a very good trend. Even if you see the latest collection of FDCI which happened, if you will see that like lot of designers has used dhotis, salwars instead of just simple pants.
Absolutely.
So they are in very much in trend, and I think they look much better. They give you a little more edge than simple pants.
ये जानना बहुत ज़रूरी हो जाता है कि आपके लिए कौन से टाइम पे आप क्या पहनना पसंद करेंगे, बिकॉज जैसे आर्य ने बताया था कि बॉडी टाइप तो डेफिनेटली मैटर करता है, बट yes, the occasion also matter.
Yes, definitely.
So
Okay.
now winters are also will be approaching in couple of months. So winter के लिए would you suggest the viscous material or the velvets?
Velvets, yeah.
Velvets?
Yeah, like if you see the lot of the Pakistani suits for women are made in velvet only, and the work on the intricate embroidery on that looks very beautiful. The velvets just give a different shine, and the embroidery just looks very good on it. And or even for men's, like if you see a lot of influencers and celebrities are wearing velvet suits. So like the people are just getting you, like earlier people used to think that velvet is just only resonate with winters, but I feel it's not that like that. You
ऐसा
can
नहीं है.
ऐसा नहीं है. You can definitely wear a velvet suit in a summer as well. Maybe it will cause you a little bit trouble, but fashion is more important.
ये देखो, हमें लगता था कि हमें ही सिर्फ लगता है, सिर्फ ऑल द लेडीज विल हैव द से कि भैया फैशन करने दो, हमें और किसी से मतलब नहीं, लेकिन मेन आल्सो हैज द सेम से कि भाई नहीं, फैशन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो नाउडेज इवन अ मेल एंड फीमेल इज नो लॉन्गर दैट काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग, बट यस, सभी को ही फैशन ट्रेंड चाहिए, सभी को ही अच्छा दिखना है.
Yeah, like if you see like most of the fast fashion brands like H&M and Zara, they have very fashion fluid, gender fluid clothes. Like if you can, a guy can definitely buy some pants for himself from a women's section if he likes to wear a little baggy clothes. So like people do this stuff. So now the brands are getting very gender fluid in fashion.
True, it's the right word, gender fluid. अच्छा, इसी से एक फैशन से और चीज़ दिमाग में आती है, जैसे एवरी टाइम वी से दैट यस हिस्ट्री रिपीट होता ही है. बहुत पहले हम लोग अगर देखते थे कि भाई कॉर्सेट था, लेकिन इट इन अ डिफरेंट मैनर, डिफरेंट अलग उसमें था. Corsets is now like everywhere. Everybody is wearing corsets, even men.
Yeah.
क्योंकि वो just steaming it up.
Steaming up. So I tell you, like corsets give you a very monochromic look. So like you can easily carry it anywhere, and when you go for a monochrome look now, so it just basically resonates like the vintage vibes, like 90s and 20s trends. It is coming back definitely. It is coming back in streetwear as well. It's like I feel like the streetwear is very much inspired by the 90s and the 20s trends.
क्या बात?
Like if you see the baggy clothes.
Yes, very much. Baggy clothes are back.
Yeah, baggy clothes are back. Like earlier, the baggy clothes was used to mean like a very U-size T-shirts, but now people are wearing very baggy suits as well, and they look definitely good.
Recently, I've been to Mumbai, and there I saw, because street fashion.
Yes.
Mumbai is always known for it,
street fashion.
and I could see everywhere Pakistani suits, which you mentioned, and apart from that, वहाँ पे वाकई में baggy shirts तो हैं ही, जो कि हमारे हर outlets पे, हर portals पे हमें मिल ही रहे हैं, websites पे. इसके अलावा वो रास्तों पे भी थे, and they are in very quirky colors. And not only that, even suits भी आपको बिल्कुल, पहले लगता था कि नहीं हमें suits बिल्कुल tailored fit चाहिए, नहीं, अब वैसा है ही नहीं.
The vintage vibe is coming back.
विंटेज हिस्ट्री रिपीट्स इटसेल्फ. सो वही वाली बात है कि आप फैशन ट्रेंड वही रहता है, लेकिन हाँ, आपकी स्टाइलिंग बदलती रहती है, और साथ ही साथ पैटर्न्स भी.
पैटर्न्स बदलते हैं.
सो एनीथिंग स्पेसिफिक व्हिच यू रियली वांट टू गिव टेक टू ऑल द व्यूअर्स, ऑल द कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स, जो दिमाग में वो जरूर रखें व्हाइल स्टाइलिंग देमसेल्व्स?
I think you should just be yourself. Fashion is a very have a very lot of definition. It can mean a different thing to you. It can mean a different thing to me. It's just like whatever you feel like in good, you feel like you can pull it off, go for it. Don't think about too much. Anything can be your style.
As long as it is good to look at, and definitely you are comfortable in that, and confidently you can carry it off.
Yeah, like for this I want to mention Ranveer Singh. Like he knows what he's doing.
Yes.
Like whoever imagine like a guy wearing a heel, but he do.
He does.
Who have imagined a guy wearing a diamond? He do.
Yes.
So like it's not up to like what is fashion. Like fashion is a very big thing, and anyone can pull it off anything if you have the courage and motivation to do it. So it's up to you.
Absolutely. Only we have to give it to him that अगर आप वाकई में करेज के साथ कुछ पहनना चाहते हैं, अगर आप में वो कॉन्फिडेंस है टू कैरी इट ऑफ, आई वुड से डेफिनेटली, देन चाहे वो चटक ऑरेंज कलर हो या फिर आपके पास ट्रांसपेरेंट या ट्रांसलूसेंट ग्रीन कलर, ऑलिव कलर्स ही क्यों ना हो, यू कैन वेयर ऑल दोज कलर्स. And I think as the festivities are approaching, please explore more, wear more colors, because colors ऐसी है जो आपकी ज़िंदगी में रंग भरते हैं,
Yeah.
आपका मूड अपलिफ्ट करते हैं. एंड स्टाइलिंग इज समथिंग, स्टाइल योरसेल्फ, स्टाइल गाइड आपके पास ज़रूर होनी चाहिए. हर किसी के पास स्टाइलिस्ट नहीं होता है लेकिन आपकी खुद के सेंसेस होना बेहद ज़रूरी है कि आप जो भी पहने खुद को देखते हुए पहने कि आपकी बॉडी टाइप क्या है एंड व्हाट इज सूटिंग यू. Right?
Yes, definitely.
Well, thank you so much, Aryan, for coming over and discussing these little nitty-gritties about influencer styling.
Thank you for hosting me.
Thank you. Well, आज की बात तो यहीं पे हम ख़त्म करते हैं, लेकिन हाँ फिर से लेकर आऊँगी कुछ और ख़ास ऐसे ही टिप्स हमारे नए गेस्ट के साथ. Keep watching us.